What do you think of when you hear rocket launches? Do you think of excitement, loud noises, or the possibility of space exploration? Because I do. But what do you think of when you hear land use, land cover change, or population dynamics? You probably wouldn't have the same reaction as you had to the first question, and you're also probably wondering how these two questions are related. Well, in 1962, the John F. Kennedy Space Center, or KSC, in Cape Canaveral, Florida, began construction with the purpose of becoming a launch operations center. Since then, has experienced rapid growth in technology, land, and number of employees. Due to this growth, the Kennedy Space Center has had to expand. But what is unknown is how it has affected the county that houses it, Brevard County. So Brevard County is off the east coast of Florida and spans an area of approximately 1,015 square miles, with the Kennedy Space Center occupying 219 miles of that space. As shown in the top left of the slide, the Kennedy Space Center has had a significant economic impact on Brevard County. This graph is created from data from 2017, and there is a total economic output of about $3 billion in Brevard County due to all NASA Kennedy Space Center activities by geography, which is very significant. The purpose of this thesis is to understand how the construction of the KSC has changed other aspects of Brevard County, like land use, land cover, and population dynamics. So to do this, I will be collecting photos of Brevard County from 1962 to 2019, with the focus of using Landsat and aerial imagery. This time period will be separated by decade, with the objective of collecting 10 photos for each decade, so change can be monitored closely. These photos will then go under the process of land use, land cover classification through ArcMap, with the focus of evaluating urban expansion, residential change within the 20-mile radius of the KSC, and the expansion of facilities within KSC. Population data will also be collected for the same time period from 1962 to 2019 from the U.S. Census. So land use, land cover, and population data will be analyzed over time, of course, but also compared to time periods where the Kennedy Space Center had more frequent activities, like during the Apollo and Space Shuttle programs. This data can then be used to see if land use, land cover change and population change has just been a result of urbanization in Brevard County, or if the Kennedy Space Center had a direct and significant impact on this change. It is very important to understand how the creation of a major space agency can impact a county, so the benefits and consequences of this land cover change can be evaluated for future counties, especially considering that space exploration is going to be advancing soon. With NASA's SLS system and SpaceX's Starship, Kennedy Space Center is going to go through another period of rapid change. The addition of a new space agency can create more jobs in the area and a boost in the economy, which may be extremely beneficial to some counties that may be struggling. So it is time to do the dirty work of evaluating the impact of the creation of a space agency, so we can identify the next place where we can put an institute for space exploration. Thank you.